Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is John. Today we're going to be talking about the Netgate SG-1100. This is a little firewall from Netgate. It runs pfSense and it does a really good job. A couple of minor issues, but overall it does a good job. The one thing that I don't like, the one problem that I had with it, is there's no way to wall mount it. There's no keyholes. There's nothing. As you can see from this picture, it's just sitting there on top of that Synology. And everything there looks trash, but just resting like that, I didn't like it. I wanted something better. So I started looking into how I could wall mount this. Now I know Netgate sells a wall mount kit for it. It's an aluminum bracket with some rubber bands that hold this in place. And yeah, it's fine, but I wanted something a little nicer. So I started looking at it, and I noticed that it had these grooves on the side. Perhaps I could put something in that clipped onto it, like a plate with some clips to hold it mounted on the wall. Well, when I was looking at it, I noticed that the 4 feet are not just rubber sticky pads on there. They're actually, they have little holes. Let's see there. Well, that gave me a great idea. So I pulled up SketchUp. I whipped up an idea, and I called up my friend Dean up near Detroit Rock City, and I said, Dean, you're a big 3D printer guy. He loves this stuff. He's got like 3 or 4 printers. And I said, can you whip something up for me? So I sent him the SG. I sent him my SketchUp plans. And what he came up with was this. It's a plate with 4 feet. Those 4 feet clip right into the feet holes on the device itself. It's also got the screw holes for mounting it to the wall. And that's what I needed. It doesn't need the clips on the side because the feet on the plate are just large enough that it's a tight fit. So this should hold up on the wall, no problem. To give you an idea, I've mounted a second one that he made for me, a little bit slightly different design, on this old junk piece of plywood. There it is. Mounted. Done. In this case, it's mounted face down so that the ports are sticking up, but the way they have the feet designed, it could mount in the other direction as well. And now you've got a nice wall mount, just held on by 2 regular old wood screws. You could turn it sideways if you wanted, obviously up to you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Thank you.